It's hot, it's snowy, and best of all, it doesn't melt. So he gets to he it's his perfect place. It's hot, it's cold, it's summer all the
Oh,
time.
and what did you pitch for Typhoon Lagoon?
I pitched I had pitched Moana, but we had Braille and I created a different concept just recently for it, which I could pitch to you too as well, but maybe at a later date when it's all set and completed. Because remember that thing about the Kool Aid Man? Yeah, the Kool Aid Man took the place of Moana. So Moana is going to be shoehorned over at the behind Adventureland.
By the way, I heard your idea of an Acme coaster